Yo everyone, my name is F.C.R and welcome to another review video. In this video today we're gonna have a close look on a special Lazio Roma jersey of 2023-2024. This one is in honor of their Coppa Italia win against AS Roma in 2013. So it's a 10-year anniversary jersey in honor of the wins of Coppa Italia. Before we have a close look at this one, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel when the cool stuff is on the way. I bought this one from Min Lin. Check the link in the description down below to find out who that seller is. So now, let's have a closer look. So that's the special Lazio Roma jersey in honor of the Coppa Italia. Let me know what you guys think. I really like this design. The black base in combination with the golden crest and sponsor etc. is really nice. In the next clip I will show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.